Hi guys, I just got a free $30 without deposit. Now I'll be showing you how I got mine. All you have to do is to watch this video to the very end. I know that you guys may not believe this, but I can assure you that this broker, you've never heard of it, and this is my first time of making this video. They are a new broker, and I have checked their experience. Their experience and reviews are quite great. Now I'll be showing you how you too can also get this free $30 without you having to deposit. Now, a lot of people have been complaining about my videos recently that I've not been explaining the terms and condition very well. So, to make it up to you guys, I'll be explaining it from the beginning of this video. But before I start, the first step you have to take in order for you to get this free $30 without deposit is for you to use the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section. Use it to claim this $30 no deposit bonus. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to my Telegram, and once you get to my Telegram, you'll see the direct link to come to this website right here on the screen. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to this website straight up. And also, for those of you who are interested in making free money online updates that you don't have to deposit a dime of your money, because a lot of people are afraid of depositing. Now, these free money updates that I've been dropping and people have been making money from, they did not deposit any money. So if you are interested, even though the money is small, just use the link in the comment section and also in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel. Subscribe there and you'll be opportune to make a fortune. So now let's get right to the reason why we are here. The second step you have to take after you've gotten to this interface by using the link in the description of this video is by subscribing to my YouTube channel. So once you are done subscribing, all you have to do is to scroll down. So as you can see right here on the screen, this is a free $30 no deposit bonus, zero risk, which means you don't have to deposit any money. So without wasting too much of our time, let me briefly explain the terms and condition you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Now, you heard me right. You can be able to withdraw your profit. Don't let anybody demotivate you that you cannot be able to withdraw your profit. Don't let anybody talk you down that no deposit bonuses are not legit. Now I'll be showing you and you'll be seeing for yourself that you can actually withdraw from this free $30 no deposit bonus. So in order for you to check the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to withdraw your profit, just click on this T and C apply. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to an interface like this. So I'll be sharing the most important thing you have to know here. So as you can see, the $30 sign up bonus account or bonus is organized by Legacy Capital, and Legacy Capital is one of the legit company in the world. So as you can see right here on the screen, it is made by Legacy Capital Limited and they are well known. So this promotion is available only to new clients. Number one terms and condition is that you must be a new client. This must be your first time visiting this website, and I can assure you that this is your first time of visiting this website because I've never made a video about it. So the number two terms and condition is that the client must open a new MT4 Prime account. Make sure it is a Prime account. Make sure it is a Prime account. And the reason why they are saying that you should make sure it is a Prime account is because this account can be used to get a free $30. All right, so the base currency that you'll be getting is USD, Euro, GBP, and Japanese yen. All right, this is it. These are the currency that you can get this $30 from. All right, so the next thing the next terms and condition you have to understand that you must at least be 18 years old before you can be able to get this live account. All right, to qualify for $30 sign up bonus, the clients must open a new live account trading MT4 Prime account, and you must have your KYC verified. Now, having your KYC verified from this broker is very simple, and I will be showing you how you can verify your KYC in the middle of this video. And as you can see right here on the screen, it must be fully verified. It's not something that you can just do with your head, and if you don't watch this video to the very end, you might miss your opportunity of getting of making money in 2026. Now, the fund credited by the company will be provided as non-withdrawable. The fund that will be provided from the company, which is $30 without deposit, it is non-withdrawable and non-transferable. But the additional money that you will trade is withdrawable, and you will see that in number 7. All right, so the credited amount is valid for 6. Let's just overlook this one. Let's go straight to the most important one, which is the number 7. This is the one that concerns us the most. So this is the one you have to know in order for you to be able to withdraw from this particular bonus. All right, so as you can see right here on the screen, the client can withdraw funds from their account only if they follow these conditions. If these following conditions are met, the number 1 is that profit in your account are at least $60 or more. Before you can be able to withdraw your money, the profit in your account must be $60. So 60 plus 30, that's $90. It must be $90, and you must trade at least one lot. You must trade one lot, and the minimum trade you must close must enter 20. You must enter 20 close trade, and these things are very simple for you to do if you are a forex trader. All right, so these are the terms and conditions. This is the most important one. In short, this number 7 is the most important one that you must know. Now that we are done with the terms and conditions you have to know in order for you to withdraw, let me take you straight to how to get this free $30, just like I did. I'll be using my second account to demonstrate how I got mine. The reason why I won't be using my first account is because I've already gotten mine, and as you can see right here on the screen, they told us that the accounts can only be get once. You can only get the accounts once. All right, so now let me show you how to get this free $30. So once you've gotten to an interface like this by using the link in the description of this video, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on claim offer, and as you can see, these are the steps that you must take, and I'll be guiding you through all the steps. So this is it. Trade with zero deposit, $30 in bonus. As you can see, you don't have to deposit any amount and you'll get this account. Zero deposit. Withdraw profit when criteria are met. And what they are trying to say here is that the criteria that they are trying to talk about is the terms and condition I just explained. So now to proceed, just click on get started. We are getting started on claiming our free $30 no deposit bonus account. So once you've gotten to an interface like this, you can lighten the screen or you can dark the screen. All right, so the first thing you have to do is to select your country. And once you are done, enter for your first name, your last name, enter your phone number, enter your email address, and enter your password. Make sure that the password you enter is a password that is very correct and very secure for security purpose. So once you are done, just click on sign up. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So once you are done, you'll be taken to an interface like this on my screen. The next thing for you to do is for you to verify your email account. So verify your email account by going to email. All right, you can go to your email account, and for those of you that your country are not there, you might have to use your VPN. All right, you might have to use your VPN and also use US number if your country is not there. But I doubt if your country is not there, so you might have to use your VPN or another country number. So now that your email has been verified, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on login. So once you've clicked on login, you'll be taken to an interface like this. As you can see, start earning passively. So the next thing we have to do is for us to complete our profile. Like I told you the other time, it is very important that you complete your profile, and that is why I'll be showing you how you can complete your profile right here on the screen. So now to check our bonus, to claim our bonus, let me show you the next thing you have to do after verifying your profile. And also for those of you that your country is not there, you can just enter another person's country phone number. You don't have to verify your phone number before you can be able to get this account. You only have to verify your NIN. All right, so just do that. So now let me show you how to verify your NIN. Just click on complete profile. how to verify your profile. So these are the things that you'll be doing. As you can see, you have to complete the personal information, you have to complete the investors information, the trading expectations, the trading experience, the leverage, and the client declaration. So you can just enter every single thing right here. You can just enter every single thing right here on your screen. All right. So once you're done, just click on next, and it will take you to another interface, which is investors information. Fill in that and click on next. It will take you to trading expectation. Fill in that and click on next. It will take you to trading experience. Click on it and it will take you there. So once you're done, you will see your you will see your $30 right here on the screen. All right, you see your $30 right here on the screen, and you might as well do not forget to create a new account, just like we have been told the other time. So once you are done, just click on create account and you'll be taken to an interface like this. You won't be taken to an interface like this. The only reason why you were brought to this interface is because you haven't completed your profile yet. So once your profile has been completed, instead of them taking you to this place, you'll be taken to the right interface whereby you have to select the kind of account you want. Do not forget to choose MT4 Prime account. MT4 Prime account. So once you've chosen it already, you will see your $30 no deposit bonus. And if you haven't gotten it, just come to this place down here. Come to this place and ask them. You can copy your account ID. For those of you who are familiar with my video, you already know how to do that. So just click on $30 promotion. As you can see, it is very real. Ask them. Click on conversation. Ask them, how can I get my free $30? Ask them and they will reply you immediately. All right, they will reply you. Their agents are not available right now, so once they are back online, they will reply you immediately. All right, so just do that. There is one thing I'm sure of. I'm sure that you guys will make money from this free $30 no deposit bonus as far as you are able to get it. And the best way to get it, if this video does not work for you, is to go and ask their customer care. And that's what I just showed you how to do. So if you ask them, they are going to show you the full gist and the full details. Guys, I'm sure if you are fortunate to get this free $30 account, I'm very sure you withdraw safely. And I've also explained the terms and conditions you have to meet in order for you to be able to withdraw safely. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I like you and I love you. Bye.